We are counting down the days to RebelCon, and virtual passes are now available at an early bird discount of $200 off the normal ticket price. This virtual pass gets you live access to all general sessions with our expert keynote speakers, as well as links to view the sessions later. This deal will end soon, so get your RebelCon virtual passes now. Hit the QR code for more info or visit rebelcon.marketrebellion.com.
Hey folks, this is 3 at 3, John Najarian here, bringing you 3 at 3 unusual option activity for the 22nd of August. And what exactly is unusual activity? That is large purchases of call options on the offer, which gives somebody a leveraged bet to the upside, or conversely, large buying of puts, which are a bet to the downside. And what we have found over time is that these large purchases are usually a precursor to a very large move in a particular stock. I have examples, so let's get started. Here's ARC from just the last week. Actually, this was 10 days ago, but then it hit again last week. ARC, the bearish put buying 26,000 puts at that October 51 strike. That was when it was 52 and change. Well, sadly for Kathy Woods anyway, and her investors, these equities have dropped. And so Kathy, who owns a very large portfolio of those equities, that ARC ETF, the innovation ETF, also losing value, falling back down to about $45 a share. Ouch. So again, large put buying, that they certainly got it. The Rebel's Edge, we deliver every Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, 3 days a week right now. We deliver unusual option activity, our breakdown of the biggest stories of the day, a little bit on sports, and some conversation about the macro market. If you haven't seen it, please go to marketrebellion.com. You'll see a link there. You can also pick it up on YouTube. All of the shows are up there on YouTube, and they're all free. You just go to YouTube, type in Market Rebellion. You can subscribe if you choose to. You can even hit notifications up in the upper right-hand corner. And if you do that, you will get all of these as they come out, both live and the recorded versions of them up on YouTube. So check it out. All right, how about this one? Target, talked about it last week for unusual activity. Well, yeah, with the stock at 172, they were buying the DEES 160 puts. So again, that's betting that back to school is going to be bad, that they're going to have to sell product at lower prices, in other words, margin shrinkage and so forth. Well, take a look where it is now. It's dropped nearly $10 since we saw that unusual activity last week. You know, you miss a little, you miss a lot, folks. This is definitely one you want to keep your eye on. Target, TGT, because of them moving up interest rates. Maybe it's making it harder on families that need to stretch those dollars, and maybe they're going over to Dollar General, Dollar Tree, or somewhere other than Target and Walmart. Also this one, American Airlines, talked about it again, $1 higher. than where it was. It was 1474 last week. Now it's traded down to 1369. And these options expire this Friday. It's the 22nd today, folks. So 4 days hence, this Friday, these options expire. So why am I emphasizing that? So that you know that you need to move quickly to take profits, because right now, if you followed us in, whether you shorted the stock or whether you were in the puts, you're up money. You need to take some of that off the table and let the rest run. You have to decide how much, but I'm letting you know that my discipline is that I am taking some money off the table. Bang. RebelCon 2022 down in Dallas, Texas. I hope you can join us. We're running out of these live in-person tickets. We only had 250. We've asked the Four Seasons if they can expand it to 300 because of demand from you guys. But right now, the limit's at 250. So if you want to join us, please sign up now. Go to marketrebellion.com/Dallas to sign up. That's marketrebellion.com/Dallas. Fabulous 4 days. We've got a golf tournament. We've got barbecue. We've got 2 days of live trading, a ton of great education. You will not find a better area to expand your knowledge of trading and to have a great time than joining us in Dallas in person rather than virtual, unless you have to. All right, Capital One, another one we told you about Friday, bearish put buying. The stock was 112. Now the stock's 109. It's lost $3. Sorry, I put a 4 up there. It's lost $3 already. Does it keep going? My bet is yes. I saw unusual activity in the regionals, which would include Capital One, even though it's also, of course, a credit card company. So credit worthiness, a big part of what Capital One does. It's already working, folks. So again, if you shorted stock or if you bought puts, you're somebody who's in the money on this trade right now. If you'd like to join us tomorrow for a bear market rally or new bull run, today it feels much more like that was a bear market rally for the last month. But sorry about the overhead. I'm just out at the airport getting ready to jump on the jet. So let me just let you guys focus on this. Go to marketrebellion.com to sign up for this. Marketrebellion.com for the free roundtable tomorrow. You can register now. All right, here's the 3 for today. Bang, I'll make them quick. CANO, CANO, bullish call buying. It's a $5.50 stock. They're buying the SEP 6 calls. These options have about 4 weeks to live. So be aware that they're in that accelerated shrinkage phase where the option loses value every day as you get closer to expiration. That's why what I will be doing is selling one option against every option that I buy. That's the way that I trade it, folks. That's CANO, bullish buying. 4,500 is 450,000 share equivalent. AX, this is Axos Financial. AX, $44.50, 10,000 of those October 40 puts. So these are $4.50 under where the market is trading. In other words, they're looking for better than 10% drop pretty quick by October expiration. 10,000 is a million short share equivalent in this trade. So somebody puts up a $44 million short, because again, a million shares short is what they can do at 40. That tells me it's a $40 million short position. If they want it to be, bang, you better be watching this one. Lastly, COTY. We've had good. Whenever the Kardashians are about to announce something, it's usually good. Boom, boom, boom. And when they don't have something like that, frequently the stock slips because consumers cut back and don't buy expensive makeup and so forth. COTY, COTY, it's a $7.30 stock. They're buying 7,000 of the this week, August, expiring $7 puts. So these are just under where the market is. So I will be buying that and looking to sell a lower price put against it. I always do that 1-to-1, folks. You know that. I do it 1-to-1 because I don't want additional risk. I want to cut the cost of me owning that 7 put by selling the 6.5 put, by selling the 6 put, wherever it's going to. That's what I will do. And I can cut my cost of ownership and I can cut down on that time decay that is so fierce in an option that only has 4 days to live. That's going to do it for us today, folks. Thank you for joining me. I hope you can tune in tomorrow for both the Rebel Edge with my brother Pete, as well as 3 at 3 and Pete's the Take. By the way, if you'd like to join us for the virtual RebelCon, you can go to marketrebellion.com/Dallas and you can get a virtual ticket for $200 off if you buy it before Thursday night this week. Before Thursday night, you get $200 off. Make sure you take a look, marketrebellion.com/Dallas. Thank you for joining me, folks. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow.